Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, let us practice theory data communication and networking about IP address exit exam model questions. These are important for you how to prepare for final and exit exam. Let's see each question one by one. The first question says, what does IP address stands for? A. Internet protocol. B. Internal process. C. Internet program. D. Interconnected protocol. The correct answer is A. Internet protocol. Question number 2. Which IP version uses 32-bit address? A. IP version 6. B. IP version 4. C. IP version 5. D. IP version 2. The correct answer is B. IP version 4. Question number 3. How many bits are in IP version 6 address? A. 32-bit. B. 64-bit. C. 128-bit. D. 256 bits. The correct answer is C. 128 bits are in the IP version 6 address. Question number 4. Which of the following is a valid IP version 4 address? A. Valid IP version 4 address from the list of multiple choices. The correct answer is B. Because the number of group bits is 4 in IP version 4, but it are between 256 and 0 and 256. So the correct answer is B. Question number 5. Which class of IP addresses support the most hosts? Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D. The correct answer is Class A have the most hosts because one group used the first 255 bits for the network, the remaining is for the host address. Question number 6. Which part of an IP address identifies the network? A. The host portion. B. The network portion. C. The subnet portion. D. The mask portion. The network portion helps to identify the network. Question number 7. What is the default subnet mask for Class C IP address? C is the correct answer for the default subnet mask for Class C IP address. Question number 8. Which protocol assigns IP address automatically? A. Domain name system, dynamic host configuration, file transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, or HTTP. The correct answer is B. Dynamic host configuration protocol that used to assign IP address automatically. Question number 9. Which IP address is reserved for loopback testing? For the loopback testing, from the list of multiple choices, which one is the correct? B is 127.0.0.1, it is reserved for the loop back testing purpose. Question number 10. Which notation is used for IP address and mask? B is the correct answer. Question number 11. What is the broadcast address for 192.168.1.0/24? The correct answer is D. Question number 12. Which address type delivers packet to all hosts? A. Unicast, B. Broadcast, C. Multicast, D. Anycast. The address type that is used to deliver packets to the all hosts is broadcast. So B is the correct answer. Question number 30. Which IP version 6 address type is equivalent to IP version 4 private IPs? A. Link local, B. Loopback, C. Unique local, D. Multicast. C. Unique local, that makes equivalent the IP version 4 to the private IP version 6. Question number 40. What does subnetting helps with? A. Increasing bandwidth, B. Dividing network, C. Hosting website, D. Encrypting traffic. The correct answer is B. Dividing networks. Question number 15. Which of the following is private IP? B is the private IP. Question number 16. What is the purpose of NAT? A. Assigning domain names, B. Translate private to public IP address, C. Encrypt IP address, D. Speed up routing. The correct answer is B. Translate private to public IPs. Question number 17. API power assigns IPs in which range? C is the correct answer. Question number 18. What does a subnet mask do? A. Encrypts data, B. Define network and host portion, C. Connect to the internet, D. Find default gateway. B. Define networks and host portion is the purpose of the subnet mask. Question number 19. Which IP version class is 224.0.0.0 up to 239.255.255. A class A, B class B, C class C, D class D. Class D is under this range. Question number 20. Which tools show your IP address on Windows? A. Ping, B. ipconfig, C. Traceroute, D. Route. The correct answer is B. ipconfig. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more, and thus your subscription, comment, and like, share also initiates and motivates me to post more important questions and the other things. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.